Hello, I'm Ross Acucena, Applications Director at Integris Life Science. I'm here to talk to you about our integrated single-use assembly offering. Process flexibility has been a primary driver for single-use bioprocessing. Single-use processes are more adaptable to the myriad of uncertainties that today's drug developers and manufacturers face. However, too often, the customers of integrated single-use assemblies fail to realize the full advantages of their single-use process. Due to their suppliers having long lead times and a lack of component part and breadth of options to design systems to your specific process requirements. At Integris, we can execute our design process to deliver newly designed systems to you in most cases in as little as 7 weeks from initial inquiry. Let's go to our product manager, Donnie Beers, to hear more about our capabilities to deliver integrated single-use systems.
Have you ever had a situation where you were trying to adapt your process to the system? We like to customize our products to fit the system to your process. Integris specializes in custom, quick turn, and very clean products for your application. By using single-use tube sets, it avoids cutting into and revalidating costly stainless steel systems. One of the most common issues with connecting up different companies' technology is they have different aseptic connectors. We can design jumper assemblies to connect up your application. Our tube sets are designed to your specific application. Any commercially available sensors, tubing, pump elements, or filters can be acquired and integrated for you. By configuring these products out of standard materials of construction, this reduces validation time. We can even provide manifolds that include customer-furnished materials to keep validation time short. Integris application specialists provide personalized support for your application. Drawing revisions on an existing drawing take 1 to 2 business days. Integris's pedigree in the semiconductor industry means that we have a long history of finding very small particles. We can measure particles that are 100 million times or even 100 billion times smaller than what's needed in pharmaceutical. Integris tube sets and manifolds, the maximum gamma dose is 40 kilogray. That's because they're produced in an environment that is extremely clean and does not need to be irradiated higher than that.
We have a great team of highly expertised engineers and scientists who are ready to engage and help you meet your single-use processing objectives. To request our support, you can reach out to your life science account manager. Additionally, if you'd like more information about our products and capabilities, you can click on our landing page for Life Science. Thank you.